Hello mercenaries, welcome back to another Mad Mason video, and here we are with Left 4 Dead 2, and joining me once again is Free Flow himself.
Yeah, hi.
You try for not to suppress it, oh my god. Alright, so yeah, we're going to do this. This is technically a take 2, because I like being frustrated and so you guys can laugh at me going crazy and ripping my hair out my head. But, yeah, my mother doesn't appreciate that, and she thinks that video games is bad. Hey, McJuggernuggets related. So pretty much she ordered me to turn off my PC when I was in the middle of a video. So, yeah. Now you know why this hasn't been up earlier. You have to be honest with your people, and I'm always honest with my mercenaries. I know mercenaries. I'm hoping about.
Where's the cricket when you need it?
Cheat, 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 cheat. Right, I have to do it. It sounded like a freaking phone going off, didn't it? Cheat, 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 cheat. Anyway, enough of this. Right, so I'm Zoe, you're Lewis. Let's do this thing. Wait, I'm gonna do a Homer Simpson stat. Let's do this thing.
That was still terrible.
Crap. Yeah. Still crap.
Yeah.
Their flight just got delayed permanently. Yes, I know.
Yeah.
Hey. Yeah, my mouse can go off screen, then on screen, then off screen, then on screen, then off screen, then on screen, then off screen.
Wait, what? Sorry, I lost you at off screen.
You know, because my mouse is here, and because I've got my OBS and my second screen set up, it could just go poof, right into my next screen. But if I click anything, it will just go out like I did with my FTL video.
Oh, right.
Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Do you remember looking at that before I uploaded it? Just freaking
Yeah.
I exited the game.
You're a
I was
dumbass.
an idiot. Ah, my ears are loud.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm out of drink.
Wouldn't mind flying out of here. Let's head to the airport.
We can't stay up here forever.
Yeah, can't
Ah.
say it. Katana's
Wait.
fine.
Oh wait, no, never mind. I was confused for a second. You're
Hang
Zoe,
on.
right?
I think me, yeah, I'm Zoe, hang on a second, I think my,
Oh, you picked up my sparkly sword. It's so shiny. I want it.
advanced, there we go.
If you could see the sword that I can see. What are you doing?
There we go. I do apologise, mercenaries, but I gotta do this. None.
Ooh. This looks very nice, actually.
There we go, if my game didn't cut, there we go, now I can see.
This looks really nice.
Yeah, let's go with that. Let's go.
You can't see it, but I got a HD 180 textures, different textures on the Molotovs. And
Well, so it
I
actually
got
says like, what, whiskey or something?
I got McDowley's.
Oh.
Uh, This
Choice
is-
5? What's that? It's crouch. There you go, control.
We are the police. Get down,
We're
motherfuckers.
the popo!
We're here
We
to
are the
shoot.
popo! Get the hell out of here. Let's see if any hunters go for you this round.
Oh, great. Yeah, I know. Right.
I'm reloading.
Thanks for jinxing it.
No problem, bro.
Shoot first, ask questions later. Come on.
Exactly, that's the way the world ends. Not with a bang, but with a slash, slash, slash.
And a jockey.
I can't run over to you.
Say hey.
I'm trying, I can't
You're
run
a-
fast enough.
You're a terrible person.
Yes, I am. Right, there you go. Saved you. It took me 5 hours, but I saved you.
Yeah, thanks.
So, that's a
I
pipe bomb.
appreciate
I got a
that.
pipe bomb over here.
I've got a slight lag, but I've got all my graphics
Lewis,
settings set to
use
low.
your
Even the
first aid
mercenaries know that. Going up here.
Fair enough.
Yeah, so God is dead. Don't write that. Don't write stuff like that. God can get offended.
Thanks, Bill. Now I'll shoot you in the crotch.
What did Bill do?
He healed me.
Oh, well, he didn't need the health kit anyway. It's why Bill's the sacrifice in the sacrifice. Nothing.
You. I haven't played that yet.
I haven't either, but I read up stuff.
Oh, this looks amazing. I know it's. Is this supposed to? On your screen, is this the
Watch out!
Desert Eagle?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So I've got different sound textures and everything on this of Titanfall.
I'm dropping down. I'm dropping down. I'm dropping down.
Yeah, I'm failing. Out of my way, Zombo.
I will just let Bill die.
No, Bear. I can't save you anyway. You'll be on a truck. Sorry.
Let's go. Get into the safe room. Come on. I think it's because I got all my YouTube.
Anyone inside?
Ah! I didn't see
Sorry.
that dude. Right, come on, let's go. Bill, Francis, get your asses in there.
Lock that door.
You're being ordered by a female. You should be.
I am insulted in every way right now. I mean, I'm not actually, but you know.
Still.
I'm insulted because you're acting like one.
Well, like a bitch.
Oh, that's so mean. Don't say that.
Oh dear.
Like
Yeah,
a
at least
female.
I can keep on track of the time because it's like in small little digits at the bottom of the screen.
Wait, what? What are you talking about? What are you?
Bill, pick up a health kit.
No, he's good.
Bill, pick up a health kit.
More for me.
True, but then if Bill can pick up a health kit, that'd be so helpful. In fact, I need to pick up one. I have picked up one. Bill, pick up a bloody health kit.
There you go.
There you go.
Right. I don't know if I want the revolver now or. What is this to you? Katana, right?
Yeah, it's the katana.
Okay. To me, it's an anime sword.
Ow!
That
I thought-
swings. Sorry. That swings so weird. Oh my god.
I'm going into my safe room. Goodbye.
Super speed swings.
Going into my safe room. Goodbye.
Yeah, bye. See you later.
Reloading.
Oh. Very nice in here. It's very metal. It's like,
Get your ass out here.
Nana, join me. Join me. Let's have some fun. Okay, I'll come out. I'll come out to play. There's a boomer somewhere.
Let's head back up.
Pop! Pop goes the boomer. Da-da-da. Boomer go boom. Oh, right in the crotchal region. Hello, Charger.
Reloading.
Hello.
Knock, knock.
I shoot you. Oh my god. Oh, that dude like showed his teeth like.
Oh. Right, there's an M16 in there anyway.
Hell yeah, boy.
Weapons over here.
Hell yeah, I'm up for that. Run away, run away, run away! Acid, acid, acid!
I'm an ninja, don't worry about it.
I'm not smoking it, I swear.
Oh, it's changed now. Every time I... Oh, we know this one.
What?
Never mind.
What is it?
I can't see it in the light. It's a hen. Grouse.
Oh, famous grouse.
Yeah. No, jockey. Now... Ah, my god. First the boomer, then the jockey.
Reloading.
Saved you. Oh, shotgun! Yay! Shotgun, shotgun, shotgun. Hello, shotgun. Whoa,
Yeah.
shotgun. Oh no, that's the thing. Use the lever to lower the crane.
Okay, boss.
Hang on, wait, don't do it yet. I wanna put
Okay,
some
boss.
fire.
Okie dokie, boss.
And then I
You're
wanna-
done now, boss?
No, not yet. I need to put some fire here, and I'm
You're
gonna come
done.
up. And then, do you have a long range weapon?
I have a gun. That's all I need to have.
Oh, just fire the piles over there.
Do you want me to shoot this one? Yeah, okay, good.
I should really hold off away the
Where'd
core.
you get that gun from?
It was on the table.
Really? I had this
Yeah.
on.
Yeah, I had that as well. Shotgun is a close range weapon, Addy. Mason, what's my name? My name's Mason.
Yeah,
Watch
Ow,
out!
my leg.
that is your name. You should change your name to
Stop
that.
being in my way. Mason, shoot straight, you dimwit. Ah!
It completely dodged me.
Ah!
I was in front of it and it ran past
I am fine. I may have a bit of poop in my pants, but I'm fine. Jump up. There's always more from somewhere.
me. Don't worry
That's
about it.
the reason why. Even just a normal charge like that can charge me out the randomly due to the shit stuff. So that's why I won't play Five Nights at Freddy's.
Yeah. And I'm gonna be playing the Amnesia, aren't I? So,
Look out!
although I don't know.
Oh,
I've never
God,
played
there's
any
a
scary
hunter somewhere.
games, so
I know charges down there as well.
Reloading.
God damn you, Francis.
get up here, would you?
I am.
Reloading.
Why'd you go over there? You leave.
Up over here.
Screw him. He did it himself.
Anti-screw him, we need him.
No, we
Bill, help him.
I got a sword.
Come on and grab my hand.
Where is he?
Thanks, man.
There!
Reloading.
Try not to die.
I was on the edge.
I am going to die if he hits me
I
one
got
more
it.
time. I'm gonna try and run around.
Thanks.
There we go, he's dead.
Right, let's go.
Me
Hey.
again! Ah, you wee bastard.
Yeah, there's a thing here if you want it.
Health kit?
Zoe, darling,
No,
heal up.
I'm
Weapons over
having a
here.
shotgun because when a witch comes by, I can, you know.
I mean, you say this all the time and then you never end up doing it right.
Well, I can't. I do it sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes.
Hey, man, that's not cool.
There's a guitar here as well.
A guitar.
Reloading.
Ding-ding-ding.
Yeah,
The
thanks,
till's
yeah.
there.
A guitar right
Oh,
here.
Bill.
Need these.
Yeah, no, I'm in no need for it. I'm
I don't know if I
I'm
want-
not a rock star.
Use a sniper.
Hey, I wanna be a rock star. Copyright.
Hey.
Pow! I think your arm came off there a lot.
Down the stairs.
Wait, what?
Oh my lord, I've been puked on.
I'm reloading.
Don't worry. Bring it.
I am out of ammo.
I just killed a hunter with a sword. I just ran
Good
off.
on you, laddie. Right, now I'm out of ammo.
Shut up. No.
There we are. I'm out of ammo.
No. There we go.
Just kill her.
I can't help it sometimes, okay?
Okay,
Damn
Francis.
it, quit fussing and let me heal you.
You just wanted to touch me,
Hold
didn't
on,
you?
Let me patch you up.
Yeah, it's just an excuse.
That's
all it is.
You knock it off.
I suppose I'm glad I'm wearing clothes, actually.
No. Oh god. What are you?
I
what are you
hear the wee
Please
wee.
elaborate for us. Tell us what you're talking about. Tell us what you're talking about, Mr. Mason.
No, I've just realised I'm out of ammo.
Oh, it's on the stairs. I just completely walked obliviously into it.
Medic.
Get it off!
You want it?
Francis, go forward.
I'm gonna hide in here. Hope you don't mind.
I want to join you.
Oh, hey, how you doing?
Hello.
I reckon both of us with our swords could do this. Combined effort.
Prepare to die.
Charge!
I need some
Nice.
help over
See?
here.
3 hits.
Oh my god, go downstairs. Ah, acid, acid, acid. Mother of mercy.
Uh,
You're about. Oh!
I'm on 11. I'm gonna run. Oh
Hunter's
god.
got Lewis.
I'm down!
Okay, I think I can get you back on your feet, but we need to find you some first
Almost to
aid.
the airport.
If you go down
I'm
like
on
this
black
again,
and white.
that's it.
I'm
for
gonna
you.
adrenaline into the thing.
Right, go,
Safe
go, go.
house in that storage place.
Go, 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 go.
I might not make it.
Ah, you will, shut up.
Right, okay.
Well, the AI actually knows how to work.
Guys,
Francis.
get inside.
Come on, Francis. We're just
Wait.
complimenting you, and now you're gonna just, you know,
Yep.
not walk in the door.
He was just walking outside the door. He's just like, okay, Francis, in your own time. We'll let all the zombies come kill us. Fuck you, Francis.
Wow, the AI are actually. Oh, never mind. They're not intelligent.
No, they're stupid as ever. AI need to improve.
Definitely.
um,
Seriously.
but seriously, need to improve.
Oh my god. You know what I'm excited for?
What?
We haven't mentioned it in a while. You know, Left 4 what is it? Not Left 4 Dead 2.
Left 4 Dead. Left 2 Dead 2. Left 2
No.
Dead.
Oh fuck, what's it called? Dead Island 2.
Ah, there you go. Yeah, yeah. Dead. Oh, I'm so hyped for that. I think I mentioned that in the video. If I didn't, kill me. But that, I'm literally gonna spend all my
I'm gonna
money on
check
that
now.
game.
I'm gonna check now, because you said that. I'm gonna check every video of yours.
It's gonna be like a recent one, isn't it?
Screw the sword. I'm going for it.
I think it might be when I've announced my Pyromaniac. I have no idea.
Reloading.
Oh wait,
You
we
ready,
need
guys?
Let's go. Yeah, yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
I'm ninja. Let's go.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
No!
I killed the wee bitch.
Now everything's gonna talk about you.
They've all come to murder me because I killed their mum.
Hi again, Hunter. Thanks for jinxing it again, Mason.
Well, what was I supposed to do? I didn't jinx you. I just
mean-
said I just killed all their mums.
No, remember at the start about the hunters?
Burn down the barricade.
I'm gonna shoot it. Can
Go on,
I shoot
then.
it? I'm on fire.
I'm on fire. You just keep that there. No shit.
Hey,
Oh,
for
wait.
hey, come over it.
Hello? Am I Zoe? Oh yeah, I forgot I was.
For content reasons, have the chainsaw. Get your goddamn chainsaw, lad.
No, you have it. You have it.
Oh, fine.
let me-
I need
let
it.
me keep
I need it now. Run for it. Go, go, go.
Go, 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 go. Run, run, run.
Delta squad. Go, go, go.
Chin this squad.
Wait, what? You screwed up.
Smoker!
I will not die tonight.
Hi. Oh,
He
hi.
was hiding right behind that corner.
Goodbye. Let's go. Hey, that's me. It's already dead. They already killed him. God damn it. Let's go.
I was reloading. Let's go.
Let's go and do this.
Aye.
Oh wait. I just realised.
Oh.
Francis. We're terrible people. How long has that been on it?
Quite a long time, I think.
Screw it. I'm not going over there. I'm gonna do my. Oh god! Everything just spawned next to me.
Come on!
I just saw it all appear.
It's because Francis got puked by a boomer while he was on the floor.
Hey, there's
Gee,
weapons
thanks.
over
Talk
here.
about knock them down while they're out. Kick them while they're down. Bloody hell.
I feel like shit.
So do I, Francis. So do I.
Yeah.
Let me hear
When I
you
think of Bill, that's what I feel.
Oh my word! Oh my! I'm out of ammo, and again.
Why no? What do we do? The hunter just jumped through the window at me. How could he?
I
I'm
use
gonna-
too much shotgun ammo in this place.
Because shotguns
Oh,
are the ultimate thing.
Weapons here.
Ultimate drainage.
Wait, what? I was gonna say the ultimate weapon for the zombie apocalypse.
I'm moving out of the way for good reason. I might go get a Magnum
Weapons over here.
Can do.
because it's just going to be safe.
I mean, we're almost at the airport now,
Weapons
so
Right, I've switched my shotgun. I know I shouldn't have done, but I have. I just needed full ammo.
you dishonor me.
Spinner!
There's a spear and a jockey.
Well, don't get hit by a spinner and don't get knocked on by the jockey.
Jockey's down.
And spinner's down. There we go.
Bullshit. Let's go through here.
I love my Magnum, 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 Magnum. Magnum, 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 Magnum. Oh, it reminded me of that Flash game called oh, it looks like help me God, but no, you're going back to hell.
Hey, witch. Goodbye, witch.
Ah,
Witch.
Hey, everything. Francis, distract it while I
die.
use you. I'm just gonna heal. Why do we have to be the ones that, you know?
Jockey's on me, help me. I was trying to look for the jockeys behind me. I'm going to stub with. Yeah.
I got you. Oh, found the hunter as well.
Got it.
I want to chainsaw it, but I feel like I'm gonna go down as I do it.
No, go do it. You'll survive.
I don't believe you. Got it.
Yeah!
I got behind it. I got behind it.
High five. High five, come over here.
No, I ain't high-fiving anyone. Ain't gonna ever happen.
Kick ass.
Watch out.
High-fiving never happens.
Yeah. It can only happen in Portal 2.
Yeah, but that's because you forced me to do it, okay?
Look out.
I don't have a choice in that.
I'm reloading.
Let's get inside.
So much weaponry.
This thing looks epic to me, okay?
Lock
It
that
doesn't.
door.
Let's go.
Yeah.
I haven't used my health kit.
Well,
Francis.
you're a special person.
Yeah, Tank Slayer, that is me.
Well, aren't you a special person?
Oh. I
Yeah! Well, aren't I a special person?
think- well, you killed the witch. Yay!
I'll take that, mate. Bill.
And I love that one. And let's go.
Yeah,
but
come on, you can open the door.
Bup, 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 bup. Shut bup, bup, bup. I want to execute this dude, but he's sitting down. Hello, how are y'all? A little helper wee bitch has gone off by herself.
Go through the opposite. Witch!
I like this gun now.
Hang on,
Oh, there's another witch, really?
I got it.
I have a
Didn't
chainsaw.
work, didn't work, didn't work, didn't work, didn't work.
I have a chainsaw,
Bitch on
goddammit.
bitch action.
No smoke coming out my ass when I do that.
Yeah, you're farting chainsaw, you're farting carbon dioxide. I'm
Yeah,
gonna heal
I mean-
myself up. Hang on.
Cover me.
I kept him. It's okay, I got a sniper, I'm not going too far. No charger.
Weapons here.
You got a charge, come on.
Why me?
Because
Medic.
you were the one
Medic.
running ahead.
Right, push the pedal.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm gonna stay
You
on
can
the
use
conveyor
that
belt
van.
thing.
Run for it, god damn it.
Don't run in front of it, dumber.
I'm not running in front of it, I'm just running ahead. Go,
I've been
go, go.
vomited on. I'm a freak. I can't see a thing. What vomited on me?
I'm the only one that survived that? Really? I didn't get vomited on at all,
Reloading.
even though I was right next to you.
The boomer likes you then. That's not fair. That's...
Yeah, I'm sorry. I have a lot of,
You have a lot of boomer friends.
yeah. What can I say? It's what I like.
Plum.
Right, let's go. Screw those two.
Do 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 doodly do doodly do. It just reminds me of Toy Story.
Why? Oh, yeah, okay. I remember now.
Did I have to answer that question? Remember
I
not
mean-
done
Over
that.
here.
Almost, because I can't remember that thing. I can't remember
Hello.
Toy Story.
Oh yeah, I hated this.
Why are
because
those two standing there? You see that?
Yeah,
They were
I'm
just standing
seeing
there
that. Come on,
the whole time.
we're not gonna go through it yet. Don't go through it yet.
I am.
Good boy. Make sure you're reloaded.
How dare you? Reloaded.
Brum.
Let's
Go!
Yeah.
Fight your way to the safe room. I hear the weird hunter. Open to the hand upon me, 'cause I'm a male.
I cut it
I
up.
mean
Don't worry.
female.
I cut it up.
Good, 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 good.
This time I got something to fight our way forward instead of
Right.
dying here. Remember
Yeah.
that?
Yeah. And remember when I raged
Yeah.
and it was here?
No one else does, but yeah, I do.
Yeah, no one else does. But yeah, this is where I raged so hard because we died here. Ow.
Sorry. Just
That's
go on
fine.
ahead. Just charge. Just. I'm out of fuel. I don't know how to tell you this, am I?
Baldy, get out of my face.
Oh god.
I don't mean, Francis, I didn't mean you. Come on, the safe room is right there. I'm bobbing on heads, I'm bobbing on heads, I'm bobbing on heads.
I'm pushing them
Go away, I'm being tongued, I'm being tongued, I'm being tongued. How
No.
innuendo is this?
Trying to get past.
Come here.
I'm kinda. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there, goddammit.
There you go. I like. Run, 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 run,
Come on. You can make it. You can make it.
run. Get out of my way, get out of my way, let me in, let me in, let me in. Shut the door! Yeah!
Nailed it. Wait. Why haven't we ended? There we go.
There we go.
I was gonna say, what?
Ah,
Panic over. Relax.
ah,
Calm.
we have gotten
Collective thoughts.
we have been done before. Right,
Wait, what?
866. Hell yeah. If only
Ready
it
for
was
some
666,
fun?
then I'd be calling the devil.
Reloading.
Right.
Hold on, let me
Reloading.
patch you up.
Okay. No, I don't know what I want to do for this one. Do I want to snipe or?
I'm gonna go assault, because it's gonna be better. And I'll go on the minigun.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, if
Right.
you're going on minigun, then I'm
Okay,
gonna go
let's
shot.
go.
Soon.
I'm gonna go shot.
Oh, look, a plane!
I wanna see. I wanna see.
I think that plane's coming in for a...
Don't worry, that's the kind of landings I make in GTA. He's got this. If he's a
True.
pro like me, he's got this.
Yeah, he's nailed it.
Oh,
No, wait,
learn
what?
to fly like me, goddammit.
Oh, wait. Oh,
Oh,
hang on.
no.
Oh, I know what flight it is.
Don't say it. I already know what you're thinking.
Who ordered the EasyJet flight?
Oh, okay. You didn't say what I was gonna say. Okay, that's fine. That was what you were gonna say, right? Originally.
Yeah, it was. I don't know what you were
Okay.
thinking of. What were you thinking of? What were you thinking
I'm
I was
not
going to say?
I don't know, but I don't want to say it. Let's just leave it at that. leave people's thoughts to it. I've had a Molotov through this whole game, you know. I'm gonna throw it. Eat that. Yeah.
Y'all ready?
Let's do it. I'm ready for
Ammo
this.
here.
Let's do it. Thanks, Bill, for giving me pills when I'm trying to get a gun out.
Right. Fire the torpedo.
Okie dokie, boss. Torpedo fired.
But you can help, couldn't you?
Well, I mean,
I suppose somebody has to watch the fuel meter go up.
yeah, but that isn't that like a C-130 or something?
Yeah.
Because I mean, surely it's a C-130 because it has the things on the side, right? A window.
Yeah.
So it should have miniguns on.
That's as far as I can look.
I'm gonna get a punch.
Oh! Yay! Ah, bugger for this. The minigun is so badly placed there.
Yeah.
I want to go on this. I want to go on this. I want to go on this.
Yeah,
I wanna
no,
go on
that's
this,
what I was
wanna-
trying to do.
Oh my god, no! Get off me, spitter! Go! Spitter!
Need help?
No, I'm good.
Reloading.
And up on it. Ah, I got caught by the spitter goop a little bit.
I'm gonna heal and grab a medkit.
Dabba dabba dab dabba dab dabba da. Will you stop trying to shoot me, Bill? Christ.
I need someone on this minigun.
Yeah, come on, let's do this. Come on, do.
Wait. Oh, I never knew those were there.
Yeah, they were there.
Oh no. Francis, I'll save you, buddy. If I could save myself, I would save you. Get
They're all
off
after
me.
me now. They're all after me now. They're all after me now. Francis, could you stop being hatred and get on this?
You should heal up.
Where is it?
There he is, right there. In the pit.
Yeah, I know. Got him.
Hell yeah! That is how you do.
Cover my ass.
We've been recording for half an hour.
Yeah, we've been too pro.
Yeah, we're too pro for all this. We are generally trying to speed run as well because I don't have an
Are we?
editing software because I'm poor.
What you did?
That's for capture card
Oh, right, okay.
because it comes with the capture card system.
Okay,
And I
okay,
don't have to
I
put
see.
it down.
Yeah.
So, hello.
Where is he? I can hear him trying to...
Found him.
Halfway. Okay.
Got him. I got Smokey was trying to hide up in the thingy with Jibby. Need some more ammo.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back up. Can I get back up here, please? I'm not gonna have a spitter spit at me again. Could I go up here again, please? I can't get it. Why can't I get up here?
I'm reloading.
Can you ask me?
Got it. Ah. There we go. Just my laggy game. I mean, it's not lagging too much. It's just like
What are you getting? Just general? Well, not general, but
kind of that
stutters.
weird lag.
Not in the fire. Not in the fire.
Got him.
I'm burning.
You might want to get on that minigun.
Where is he?
Round the corner. In
Got
the
him.
pit.
I see him. Take it. You. There we go. We done yet? Come on. I'm
Dude,
getting
is
bored.
how long did it take to fill up a well?
It is a big plane. Go,
Oh,
go,
Get to the door now. Come on, ladies first.
go. Screw you. Me first all the time.
No, just because I'm black.
Oh, sorry. Hey,
Where's
that
your
isn't
manners,
my
ladies
excuse,
first?
okay? Fine, let's go.
We can get on the plane. Let's go. Let's go.
Hello. Yeah.
We screwed up. Okay. Alright.
Hello, come fly with me, come fly, let's fly away. Hell yeah, that is how you do! Oh, good lord, let's see. We all survived, as is the
33
rule.
minutes. That's good.
Yeah, 33 minutes, that's what I got on my thing, but we've been recording for 36.
Yeah, but still. It's the quickest I've ever completed a whole chapter.
Yeah, because before it usually took us like an hour.
Yeah.
Now we're just speed running through it.
Mm.
Yeah, we didn't use Millie kills, you got more. You got more. You got more. I got more. You got more. Fuck Bill, fuck Bill. I got more spitters. Fuck Bill. You got more. Fuck Bill, I got more. Screw you,
I got
Bill, I
more.
got less. You got more. I got less. No, I got more, but screw Bill. And, yeah,
We
Mad
tied.
Mason.
We both didn't get anything for
Yeah.
healing teammates.
$1,340 with harm in the making of this film. I don't give a shit. Anyway. Well, mercenaries. I don't know why my picture ain't come up yet, but I have no idea. Can you see that?
Wait, no, I can't.
Ah, that's awkward.
Just change character. See if that.
Oh, that's
There
why. Ah, never
Cool.
done that before. Anyway. Well, thank you, mercenaries, for watching. I'm now thinking second thoughts about this outro. I've got to think about it. I mean, I'm going to take something from this new outro, but, yeah. But I'll say this outro for the last time of it being rewritten.
You got a paper with it on.
Yeah, so, I need to really think about it, because it's not a catchy ending. Anyway. Thank you, mercenaries, for fighting with me in this video, and I will see you all in the next battle. And also, Mad Mason signing out!
Bye, guys.